Did you know that a simple mineral salt could help you relax, soothe pain, and even support your mood? It's called Epsom salt. And no, it's not for cooking. Let's uncover what makes this age-old remedy a self-care essential. Epsom salt, also known as magnesium sulfate. It is a natural mineral made of magnesium, sulfur, and oxygen. It looks like table salt, but tastes bitter and definitely isn't meant for seasoning your food. It got its name from the town of Epsom in England, where it was first found in natural spring water. Now let's talk about how this humble salt can support your health and well-being. 1. Relax tired muscles. A warm Epsom salt bath is a go-to remedy for muscle aches, cramps, or post-workout soreness. Magnesium may absorb through the skin and help your body release tension. 2. Melt away stress. Magnesium helps the brain produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone. That's why soaking in Epsom salt can leave you feeling calm, clear, and less stressed. 3. Gentle detox. Some people use Epsom salt bath for detox, helping flush out impurities through the skin. While science hasn't confirmed everything, many find it refreshing and rejuvenating. 4. Relieve occasional constipation. Yes, Epsom salt can also work as a natural laxative. When taken orally with water in the right dose, it draws fluid into the intestine to ease bowel movements. But warning, only use this under medical advice. 5. Skin soothing power. Use it as a natural exfoliator to soften rough skin or relieve mild sunburn, bug bites, and itchiness. Even athlete's foot and toenail fungus might improve with regular soaks. 6. Reduce swelling. Got a swollen ankle or sore wrist? Apply an Epsom salt compress to help bring the swelling down. 7. Happy feet, happy you. Tired, aching feet, fungal infections, corns and calluses. A simple Epsom foot soak can help refresh your soles and fight odor. Here is how to use Epsom salt the right way. Bath soak. Add 2 cups of a warm tub and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Foot soak. Add half cup to warm water and soak your feet for 20 minutes. Compress. Dissolve Epsom salt in warm water, soak a cloth and apply to affected areas. Laxative. Use only as directed on the package and never without a doctor's advice. Some of the reported benefits include stress relief and better sleep, reduced muscle soreness, restored magnesium levels, migraine relief, soothing of skin issues like eczema or psoriasis. Even though some benefits are anecdotal, many find it a helpful part of their self-care routine. But be careful. Taking too much orally can cause magnesium overdose, leading to nausea, low blood pressure, or more serious complications. People with kidney problems, heart conditions, or those who are pregnant should consult a doctor first. And while the idea of magnesium absorbing through the skin is popular, science is still debating just how effective that is. Still, the warmth and relaxation alone can make it worth it. Here is something interesting. Most of us are actually low on magnesium, since it's vital for nerve function, muscle health, and mood balance. Adding Epsom salt to your routine might just give your body the gentle boost it needs. Epsom salt, simple, affordable, and surprisingly powerful. Have you ever had it before? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and keep growing and learning with me. Thanks for watching.